Welcome to Spaceverse, your portal to cosmic adventures. It will take many years for that project to come to fruition, as the complexities involved require extensive planning and research. If everything goes according to plan, the trip to Proxima B will last approximately 20 years, presenting a unique opportunity for exploration. Both scientists and space officials are fascinated by this mysterious planet, which sits within our galactic neighborhood. Recently, the James Webb Telescope unveiled the most detailed image of Proxima B to date, igniting excitement and curiosity among researchers and space enthusiasts alike. What secrets does this distant planet hold? Is life possible there? What new insights has the James Webb Telescope provided? Let's delve into these questions and explore the fascinating possibilities. By examining the distant past, we can gain some understanding of galaxy formation, a process that stretches back billions of years. This exploration allows us to piece together the history of our universe, illuminating the events that have shaped it. Building on this concept, the James Webb Space Telescope will enable us to look deeper into space than ever before, pushing the boundaries of our knowledge. The infrared images captured by the JWST are unlike anything seen before, offering a fresh perspective on celestial phenomena. Just as a phone camera's filter influences the images it captures, the capabilities of the telescope depend on how it is utilized, allowing astronomers to tailor their observations to uncover specific details. Astronomers can leverage the James Webb Space Telescope to explore the origins of the universe, including the Big Bang, investigate the formation of stars and planets, and even analyze the atmospheres of exoplanets to determine if life exists there. This multifaceted approach opens up new avenues for understanding the cosmos and our place within it. The telescope's advanced camera and filters facilitate the capture of a specific range of light colors, enabling scientists to detect faint signals and analyze the composition of distant worlds. Through the meticulous analysis of these images, researchers can unravel the mysteries of the universe, shedding light on phenomena that have puzzled scientists for centuries. Significant findings about the evolution of the universe have emerged thanks to the JWST's unmatched ability to observe further into space and time than ever before. For instance, astronomers have discovered that there is more mass in massive galaxies than previously believed, prompting new questions about the nature of dark matter and the forces that shape our universe. With each revelation, we inch closer to understanding the complexities of the cosmos and the potential for life beyond our own planet. The James Webb Telescope recently announced the first ultra-clear image of Proxima B. After years of research, astronomers identified evidence of a planet's slight gravitational influence on its star in 2013. The planet orbiting Proxima Centauri was renamed Proxima B in later years due to its position as the second closest star system to Earth after our Sun. This planet's discovery is particularly noteworthy. When we observe the Alpha Centauri system from our vantage point, we can see what it looked like 4 years ago, located approximately 4 light-years away. The discovery of Proxima B is fascinating. It ranks among the most Earth-like exoplanets ever identified, located within 25 light-years from our star. Don't be misled by the distance. Proxima B is a completely distinct planet, even though its year lasts only 11.2 Earth days. The planet is nearly 30% heavier than Earth. With an orbital radius of 7.3 million kilometers, it is less than 5% of the distance from Earth to the Sun, which contributes to its small size. Despite its appearance, Proxima Centauri is a small red dwarf that produces significantly less energy than our Sun. Given this, how would it feel to stand on Proxima B and gaze up at Proxima Centauri? This star, about 3 times the size of the Sun, would appear as a dim red sphere in the sky. Liquid water might exist on Proxima B if the planet lies within its star's habitable zone. However, keep in mind that Proxima B is very different from Earth. As you prepare your spacesuit for an interstellar journey, one possible explanation for the planet's conditions is that it may be tidally locked with its star, meaning one side is always in light while the other remains in darkness. Any potential life forms would encounter significant challenges in this harsh environment. The radiation from the star would evaporate any water on the sunlit side of the planet, while water on the dark side could freeze. The characteristics of Proxima Centauri render it a hostile environment for life. The nuclear fusion cores are situated at the surface, resulting in chaotic surface activity despite the star's small size. Planets like Proxima B that orbit within its habitable zone face significant challenges from the exceptionally intense magnetic fields that generate high-energy radiation and particle bursts. Strong solar flares could potentially obliterate any life on Proxima B. Recent research utilizing high-resolution magnetic field images indicates that the planet receives approximately 1,000 times more solar wind radiation than Earth. In fact, the most powerful solar flare ever recorded took place in April 2021, when a Proxima Centauri flare outshone all others by a factor of 100. Reality may prove to be extremely inhospitable, despite the intriguing idea of a habitable planet around Proxima Centauri. Humanity's relentless curiosity about the potential for contact with alien species has endured through the ages. The detection of an unusual signal from the Alpha Centauri system in late 2020 heightened this excitement to unprecedented levels. The signal, recorded at 98.207 MHz, was not typically associated with satellites orbiting Earth, which sparked speculation. Could this be evidence of sentient beings? The prospect of visiting Proxima Centauri and engaging with extraterrestrial life seems less distant than once thought. To shorten the travel time from centuries to decades, the breakthrough initiatives have been researching potential solutions. Recent studies suggest ways to propel objects close to the speed of light. However, with current technology, it would still require about 6,000 years to reach Alpha Centauri. The Starshot project is exploring the feasibility of employing lasers to direct a spacecraft toward its target, Alpha Centauri. Adaptive optics and other innovative methods could help overcome the main challenge: the Earth's atmosphere, which affects both inbound and laser light. The spacecraft may reach Alpha Centauri in as little as 22 years, utilizing laser power of 100 gigawatts, equivalent to the electrical usage of the United States. Interstellar debris and the challenges of transmitting data back to Earth are two remaining hurdles. Even if the spacecraft reaches its destination, signals would still take 4 years to reach us. However, once the launch system is established, it may become relatively inexpensive to send additional probes, enhancing the chances of exploring star systems like Proxima Centauri thereafter. Exoplanets, or planets orbiting stars beyond our solar system, have become a focal point of scientific research in recent decades, offering exciting insights into the potential for life beyond Earth. The study of these distant worlds began in earnest in 1992, when astronomers made the groundbreaking discovery of planets orbiting a neutron star. Since then, the field has expanded rapidly, with thousands of exoplanets identified using a variety of methods, including the transit method and radial velocity technique. These discoveries have revealed a diverse range of planetary systems, many of which contain Earth-sized planets located within the habitable zones of their host stars. This has sparked significant interest in the search for extraterrestrial life, as scientists continue to investigate the atmospheres, compositions, and orbital patterns of these planets. And that's it. Thanks for joining us at Spaceverse. Today, we explored the mysteries of Proxima B, the challenges of reaching Alpha Centauri, and the wonders of exoplanets. Don't forget to subscribe for more cosmic discoveries. Keep looking up and stay curious.